This is a great summer salad recipe to enjoy al fresco. The oranges make it zingy and refreshing, and if you're not a fan of mackerel, it's just as good with cooked chicken. Start off by roughly chopping the tomatoes. Halve and deseed the red chilli, and blitz in a food processor until smooth. Add 200 millilitres of boiled water to the couscous and stir in the tomato mixture. Cover and leave to stand for 5 to 10 minutes until the couscous is soft. Next, grill the mackerel for around 5 minutes until cooked through. While the mackerel's cooking, segment 3 oranges. Slice the sugar snap peas and fold everything into the couscous. Top with the cooked fish and serve straight away.